Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a beautiful 3-owner 1982 380SL. Got Nancy here.
Hello.
Hey Nancy.
Hi.
So tell us about it.
Well, this baby is a beauty, and my husband bought it for me for Christmas, and I got it in January 2018, so I am the third owner.
Wow.
Proudly. She's a little sex pot for sure.
She is.
And we've really treated her with kid gloves. We've mechanically taken care of it. You can really take her anywhere.
Finished in white. This is actually the original paint on this car. Original interior. All the wood and everything is meticulously beautiful. No cracks or anything in the dash. And Nancy's actually never even had this hard top off, right?
Nope. We can't pick it up.
That's great.
We're old.
And that's her current car right there. So this E350, she hits a button, top comes down, and voila, she's off.
I go.
Little easier, right?
Oh yes. But I love this car. I've always loved this car.
No.
A young woman.
Yeah. It's just, it screams style.
It does.
You know.
It's a classic.
They don't make them like this anymore.
No, they don't. They don't. The sound of the door when you close the door, it's that real old, solid Mercedes sound.
Yeah, when Mercedes was Mercedes.
Yep. Original wipers.
Original everything.
Everything chrome, yeah.
She even has all the owner's manuals. She's got all the receipts for it, all the records.
Original bill of sale.
Original bill of sale. That was pretty cool.
Yep. Thank you letter from the dealer in Phoenix.
Very cool. The checklist.
The checklist, yes.
Very cool. Your husband mentioned that you actually purchased it from a friend.
Yes, we did. I guess the original owner was in Phoenix and he moved to Florida and sold it to these friends of ours who he had it for probably 20-something years, I guess. And then he knew I always liked it. He used to live up here.
Yeah.
And we bought it.
Cool.
Put it on a trailer and off it went.
Wow. We're all caretakers.
And he too is also very, very meticulous.
I could tell you're meticulous. I mean, look at this trunk.
Look at the logo.
Gorgeous. Original spare tire. It's never been on the ground.
Whoa,
look at that. You never seen that, huh?
No.
Brand new.
Smell the rubber.
Yeah, it's brand new. And this carpet, oh my God, that's when Mercedes was Mercedes.
Yeah.
It's just beautiful.
Yeah. Yep.
Even the trunk shuts like a vault. Isn't that nice?
Yep.
Beautiful original interior. Like I said, all the wood is gorgeous. There's no cracks or anything. Showing 99,042 miles. So pretty. Got a custom stereo in it.
Yes. With a CD player.
A CD player too.
Yeah,
Oh my God, look at that. Original first aid kit back here. That is cool. Man, so pretty. Man, what a pretty car. All the gleaming chrome and everything, you know? Look at that door shuts like a vault. Gonna pause you while I open the hood. There she is. It's a 3.8 liter V8. Moves along really good. ticking like a clock. Like you said, this is how they made Mercedes back then.
Yeah.
So pretty. Oh, I could tell. Always garage.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All tuned up, ready to go.
Yep.
You did some recent work too. Air conditioning. That's got a new
Yes.
compressor, right?
Yes. Transmission.
Transmission was rebuilt.
Yep.
Fully serviced.
And ignition.
Oh, the coil.
Ignition coil.
Yeah.
That was recent. Those are really the major things. Obviously, I can't even think of it. So we did
All right.
quite a bit.
Well, you guys can check all those photos out on the website.
Yeah,
Man, what a pretty car. Barely put any miles on this. Wow. Very cool. Pretty car, man.
thank you.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Nancy, thank you so much for showing us your car.
Please, it's wonderful to meet you. And whoever
Beauty.
gets this baby is going to be, I hope you're as happy as I
Yeah.
am and will always be.
Drive this car anywhere.
Yes, anywhere, cross country.
Well, guys, thanks again for joining us. Mike here at Weeby Autos, 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button. Visit the website, weebyautos.com, and we'll talk to you then. Thanks.